Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about 3 key reasons to use Brevo for your email marketing. If you're new to Brevo, check the description for a link to get started. The first reason is ease of use and simplicity. Brevo has an intuitive interface and drag-and-drop editors that let you create professional-looking emails and automation workflows without being tech-savvy. The visual workflow builder makes powerful automation simple, saving you time and helping increase your ROI. Plus, Brevo provides support from real humans on all plans, including the free one. The second reason is powerful features in performance. Brevo allows advanced segmentation so you can group contacts by behavior, interests, or other attributes and send more targeted campaigns. It also offers real-time reporting and A/B testing to optimize results continuously. Plus, personalization features make it easy to tailor emails for a more relevant experience for your customers. The third reason is flexibility and multi-channel capabilities. Brevo is an all-in-one platform that supports email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push notifications, helping you create seamless customer journeys across multiple channels. It also integrates with other digital tools like CRM and CMS platforms, ensuring a smooth and efficient flow of data. These features make Brevo a versatile solution for growing your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching.